Hello children, welcome back to calculus. Now we will do the last exercise of this lesson, that is exercise 1.6. Now the problems we can simplify through calculus. Okay, so first question, find 64 raised to 1 by 2. 64 raised to 1 by 2. So 64 we can factorize 2, then 32, again 2, 16, then 2, 8, 2, 4, then 2, 2, 2, 1. So this 64 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6, the whole raised to 1 by 2. We know that a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 6, the whole raised to 1 by 2, that equal to 2 raised to 6 into 1 by 2, in the power 6 into 1 by 2. With the 2 cancel, here 1, then 3, that is 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, then second question, 32 raised to 1 by 5. So 32 we can factorize 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, then 2, 1. That is 5 2's. So we can write 2 raised to 5, the whole raised to 1 by 5. That is of the form a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. That is 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. This 5 and this 5 cancel. 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. Then third question, 125 raised to 1 by 3. 125 we can factorize 5, 25, then 5, 5, 5, 1. That is equal to 5 how many times? 3 times. That is 5 cube, the whole raised to 1 by 3. We know that a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. That is 5 cube into 1 by 3. This 3 cancel, 5 raised to 1, which is equal to 5. Okay, then second question, find 9 raised to 3 by 2, 32 raised to 2 by 5, 16 raised to 3 by 4, 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. So first question, 9 raised to 3 by 2. 9 we know that 3 square. So 3 square raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. By a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. So this 2 and this 2 cancel, that is equal to 3 cube, which is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So the value of 9 raised to 3 by 2 is 27. Then second question, 32 raised to 2 by 5. So 32 factorizing 16 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 1. That is 2 raised to 5. That we write 2 raised to 5, the whole raised to 2 by 5, which is equal to 2 raised to 5 into 2 by 5. Here also a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. That law here apply. That is his 5, this 5 cancel, which is equal to 2 square. That is 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Then third question, 16 raised to 3 by 4. 16 we know that 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4, the whole raised to 3 by 4. That equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 by 4, the power. That is here also a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. That equal to this 4 cancel, 2 cube, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 8. Then fourth question, 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. 125 we can factorize 5 table 25, then again 5, that is 5 cube is 125. That we write 5 cube, the whole raised to minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 5 raised to 3 into minus 1 by 3. That is a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Then this 3 cancel, which is equal to 5 raised to minus 1, that equal to 1 by 5. That is a raised to minus 1 is 1 by a. That is 5 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 5. Clear? Then the last question, simplify the following. First one, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. This is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n. That is, here both the bases are same. So a raised to m into a raised to n, we know that a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5, that equal to 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here 3 and 5 taking LCM, 2 raised to 15. Then here 15 multiply 5 into 2, 10, plus here 3 into 1, 3. That equal to 2 raised to 13 by 15. Then next second question, 1 by 3 cube the whole raised to 7. 1 by 3 cube, that can be written as 1 by 3 cube is 3 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 7. That is 1 by a raised to n equal to a raised to minus n. That property, that law here used. 1 by 3 cube is 3 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 7. Then this is 3 raised to minus 3 into 7, which is equal to 3 raised to minus 21. That is the answer here. Law used a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Then the third question, 11 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 11 raised to 1 by 4. This is of the form a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. So this is equal to 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 11 raised to 4 is the LCM. Here multiplying 2 minus 1, that equal to 11 raised to 1 by 4. That is the answer. Then fourth question, 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. This is of the form a raised to m into b raised to m, that equal to ab raised to m. That is, the bases are different but the powers are same. So a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to ab raised to m. Therefore 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2, that equal to 7 into 8 the whole raised to 1 by 2. That is 56 raised to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. So this lesson is over. So the next class we will do more questions based on this lesson. Okay. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.